Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys my star food, porridge yam. I'm giving them porridge yam. So I'm doing the sauce here. Here is onion, pepper and palm oil. Just want to fry it before I'll pour it inside the yam. So guys can see the yam never boil. See the yam on the fire. So when I make the sauce finish, I will leave it until the yam getting to done. Then I'll pour the sauce. I'll add crayfish. So I just want to give them a different thing today. Can't be give them swallow and rice every time. So I just want to give them porridge yam today. So that's what I'm showing you guys. Show love to yourself. So any season of things come, even sweet potato, when the season comes, you can give them the boiled one. When the Irish potato, the season day, you can give them the boiled one with sauce. So make your staff happy so that them they will work with all their heart for you. So I'm giving them the porridge yam. So I will allow it to done. I just put the yam for fire, add some stock and onion, and I'm frying this one, pepper, onion and crayfish. So I'll add the season later. So when the yam done, I'll pour it inside. Then the food is set. Add small ugu leaf, the vegetable, to change the distance, to change the face. You can add small vegetable like ugu or efo inside to sweet and to look delicious. So make yourself happy. Give them something different. Don't you give them swallow rice and all those beans every time. You can change their food for them. They will be happy. So I'm giving them porridge yam today. Just want to show you guys. So I'll allow it to fry. Then I will cover it to done before I will pour the sauce inside. So just a simple menu. I just want to show you guys. Anytime they are eating yam, no protein. Anytime they are eating beans, no protein. But if they are eating rice or swallow, there is protein. So today no protein because I'm giving them porridge yam. So thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and share. I love you guys. We meet again in my next video. Bye.